Stop scrolling for a moment. If you are missing teeth or have weak jawbone, this video about All-on-6 dental implants could completely change the way you think about restoring your smile. In the USA and Canada, more patients are choosing All-on-6 for full mouth reconstruction because it offers extra stability, durability, and long-term comfort. So what is All-on-6? Instead of 4 implants, this method uses 6 titanium implants to anchor a full arch of replacement teeth. This enhanced implant system distributes chewing forces more evenly across the jaw, which is especially important for the upper jaw or for patients with bone loss. Compared to All-on-4, All-on-6 provides greater strength, improved chewing function, and superior long-term results. Many patients who thought they needed removable dentures are now enjoying fixed, natural-looking teeth that feel and function like real teeth. With All-on-6, your smile is fully restored in just a few visits, and the procedure is highly effective for jawbone preservation and preventing further dental issues. Here's why it's a great option. 6 implants for maximum stability. Ideal for patients with weakened jawbone, long-lasting solution for full mouth restoration, immediate function and confidence with fixed teeth, improved aesthetics, speech, and chewing efficiency. If you are considering full mouth dental implants, All-on-6 might be the perfect solution for you. Before you go, make sure you subscribe for more expert dental tips, 3D animations, and implant education. Comment below, have you considered All-on-6 or All-on-4? Share your experience, ask questions, or tell your dental journey. And don't forget to send this video to a friend who is thinking about dental implants. It could completely change their smile and confidence. Remember, in the USA and Canada, All-on-6 implants are becoming a gold standard for full mouth restoration, stronger, safer, and more natural. A healthier, more confident smile starts today.